Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your earnings with Postmates, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your earnings with Postmates, start by opening the Postmates app on your device. Log into your Postmates account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Earnings tab at the bottom of the screen. This section will display your weekly earnings and any bonuses you may have earned. Tap on the specific week you want to review for a detailed breakdown. Here, you will see a summary of your earnings, including delivery fees, tips, and any promotions. If you want to verify your earnings against your bank account, take note of the scheduled payout date. Now, open your banking app to check your balance on or after the payout date. Compare the amount deposited with the total earnings displayed in the Postmates app. If there are discrepancies, go back to the app and double-check your earnings summary. Look for any missing deliveries or adjustments that may account for the difference. Should the figures still not match, proceed to the Postmates support page. Submit a ticket detailing your issue and include screenshots for clarity. Be sure to include all relevant information, such as delivery dates and payout amounts. After submitting your ticket, wait for a response from the Postmates support team. They will provide assistance and verify your earnings as needed. Follow any additional instructions they may send to resolve the issue. Maintaining accurate records of your deliveries can also help streamline this process. Consider keeping a personal log of your deliveries and earnings for future reference. This will make verifying your earnings easier and more efficient. By following these steps, you can ensure that your earnings with Postmates are accurately verified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.